Hey guys, it's Stacy with Stories Matter. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get those zip files from your email downloaded into Adobe Lightroom for your mobile presets. If you've recently purchased a Adobe Lightroom mobile preset for your phone, this is going to help you get them into Lightroom and start using them very soon. And I know it can be a little crazy and a little bit frustrating, but stick with me. I'm going to walk you step by step how to do it. Here we go. It's worth noting, if you don't already have the Files app downloaded on your iPhone, you're going to want to head over to the App Store and download that. It is free before we get started. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your email and go find the files. Click on the zip file. Now, here's something that you either may or may not get this message. If you have a newer iPhone and you are downloading your files from Gmail, this message should pop up. You're going to want to go to Safari. You will not be able to download your files if you're using Google or Google Chrome. If you don't get this message, it means you might be opening with a different email server and it might just ask you to download, in which case you would just click download. But for now, we're just going to move forward with the Safari button. Once here, it's going to ask you if you want to open it with your voice recorder. Clearly you don't. So what you're going to need to do now is you're going to want to head over to the Files app. This is the app that I told you at the beginning to download if you didn't have it installed already. If it doesn't show up here on this screen, you can always head back over to your Finder and type it in there. So we're just going to go ahead and type in Files app, and then there it is. So we'll click on that. And then you will see the presets right there. Summer Vibe, Sweat. These are two that I've already downloaded. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the zip file. Now what's going to happen here is you're going to try to click on it and it's going to do this. It's going to ask you if you want to rename it. We don't want to do that. So let's just go back and you're going to want to hold that zip file down. Hold your thumb over the zip file until you see this, and then you're going to click Quick Look. Once you hit Quick Look, you're going to get this screen, and you're going to want to click on Preview Content, and then you'll get this, and you're going to want to press the little arrow in the left-hand corner, and then you'll come to this screen, and you're going to want to scroll down to find the Lightroom app. Sometimes it's there. There you go. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says Lightroom. And you're going to want to launch Lightroom now. Now I'm going to walk you through every scenario that I think could happen because this is not a seamless process no matter where you purchase presets from. Sometimes they're not going to show up directly in your Lightroom. They should be showing up here at the top. So I'm going to refresh and it still doesn't show up. So what I will need to do at this point is press the three little dots at the top of the screen, the right hand corner, and I'm going to want to change the sort by import, the sort by date. So I'm going to do import date, make sure that it's being imported and shown to me by the correct date. So I'm going to click that. And now it's successfully imported. So it should be at the top there. And there it is. My summer preset with the DNG file. You'll see it right here. And that's what it's going to look like. So you'll click that file. And then you're going to click those three dots with the circle in the right hand corner again. And you're going to want to hit Create Preset. And now you can name it whatever you want. Keep in mind that you're getting 3 presets. With our presets, you're going to get 3 different ones, a dark, a medium, and a light. So you might want to make sure that you are naming them so that you know the difference between the two. Okay, once you've named it, click Done, and your photo preset will be saved. Now you're going to have to repeat these steps for each preset, but I want to walk you through this part again because for some reason my Lightroom does this where it just will not show up. So again, if you go in after you followed the steps and it still isn't showing up, go up to the top right hand corner, hit the 3 dots, and change the import date, or to sort by import date, and you'll see that it showed up there. Okay, so let's walk through how to apply this preset to a photo. So you've got your photo, you're going to go to the bottom, you're going to scroll all the way to the right to presets. Click on presets. And all of your presets are going to show up here. I have a ton. I've been doing photography for 12 years, so I've got a lot of presets. So I'm going to go down to the Summer Vibes, which is the one that we just uploaded. And I'm going to click on it there. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your presets into Lightroom, and now you can use them on all of your photos. Keep in mind, guys, that sometimes when you put the preset on your photo, it might still need a little adjustment. Usually the only thing you need to adjust is the brightness or the exposure, because we cannot be there and see the lighting in which the picture was taken. So these presets are made to try to adjust to all different kinds of lighting. But in the case that it looks a little dark or too bright on your photo, just know that it's an easy fix in the brightness or the exposure. And these presets are made to save you a lot of time editing. In just a few easy clicks, you're on your way. So thanks for watching this, and if you are looking for presets and you haven't seen ours, please stop by our store. I'll put the link right here for you to click on. And thanks again. Have a great day, guys.